Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to our basement. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm taking you through today's workout. Today we have a core workout based around the plank. There's going to be a variety of exercises. Just follow along with me. It's going to be core and kind of upper body because we're going to be doing some push-ups. But everything is going to revolve around staying in a nice, as best as we can, plank position. So we're going to start off with 3 sets of just a plain plank to warm up with. If you guys are beginners, you start off the plank on your knees. So for the purpose of this video, every first set is going to be done on a knee plank, all right? So just follow along with me. The first set, we're doing 3 planks and we're going to hold them for 30 seconds each. Different varieties, you can do a straight arm, you can do it on your elbows. This one we're going to start on the elbows and the knees and we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. You guys ready to go? Follow along with, no intro or anything. We're getting right into it just like we always do. On the knees, everything nice and tight. Hold it for 30 seconds and go. Just hold it right here. This is the first set. We're going to take a little 30-second break after this set. And just follow along with me. Try to follow my pace as best as you can. Like I said, I always say is I try to make these workouts challenging, not just for you, but also for me. So if you see me struggle, guys, it's perfectly normal. We have what, about 5-6 seconds left. We'll take a little breather. 3, 2, 1, and just relax for a little bit. So that's the first warm up, right? I'm gonna do one more set on my knees just like I did previously. You guys do, if you wanna jump up to a regular plank, feel free to do so. Let's take another 15 seconds. We'll take about, like I said, about 30 seconds breaks today in between the sets, but the other sets are gonna be rep based, so we'll do the best that we can. Okay, we get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and plank for 30 seconds. Keep everything nice and tight, even if you're just down here. Nice and tight. Concentrate on pulling that core together. Squeeze those glutes. You'll need all those muscles later, so might as well warm them up. We got another 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. We'll take a 30-second breather. Stretch out a little bit, catch our breath. And this one I'm gonna do a plank, like a straight up plank, so like a starting push-up position. I'm gonna get off my knees. You guys do whatever you need to do. Just follow along with me. Like I said, we haven't done a plank video in a long time. Kind of miss them. I like doing planks. Let's see, you got 5 seconds. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and best plank if you can. I can't see myself. I think I'm holding a good plank. I don't really have an idea. Doing the best that I can. We got 10 seconds into it. We're holding it for 30. Arms locked out, everything nice and straight. All right, less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now that we got the plank warmed up, the shoulders are warmed up, the chest is a little bit warmed up, we're moving into the Sphinx push-up. Like I said, the first set I'm going to do on my knees, so from a kneeling planking position, if there's such a thing. 6 to 8 repetitions. Let's call the first set 6 repetitions and we'll see how it progresses later on as we go, all right? And there's all gonna be done on about a 30-second break. So as always, clock should be on the wall, preview should be somewhere over here over my head right now. We're going for 6 to 8 reps. So get on your knees, get into the Sphinx position, so get on your elbows, nice and straight, and we're just gonna lift up. A little difficult in here, this floor is actually, even though it's rubbery, it's very slippery, but we're gonna go for 6 to 8. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, hold it, and down. Take a little breather, hold that plank, up, and down. Take a little breather, 1, 2, 3, up, and down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up, down. Let's do a couple more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up, and down. 1, 2, 3. Hold that plank, hold it, up, and down. All right, now we relax and we're gonna go into a leg raise. Once again, you can be on your knees for this. First time through, all the exercises are gonna be down here on the knees. A little bit more of a beginner version, but also maybe a warm up for those that are gonna be moving on to a regular plank. Either way, challenge yourself as much as you can. Let's keep on going. We got 10 seconds. We're going to a leg raise. Just gonna raise one leg, hold it for a couple seconds, back down, and then raise the other leg. You guys ready to go? And let's go. Plank and lay, raise, and down. Raise, hold it, down. Raise and hold it, and down. Raise, hold, down. Challenge. 1, 2, 3, down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, down. Let's do a couple more on each side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, and down. 1, 2, 3, and down. And one more. 1, 2, 3, and down. And now we relax for about 30 seconds or so. All right, next exercise, shoulder taps, nice and easy. Once we get up into a regular plank, those feet are gonna stay about shoulder width apart, and we're just gonna tap our shoulders on either side. For now, we're staying on our knees. So knees, this time you're gonna be on your wrists, not on your elbows or on your forearms. So we get ready to go in about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, nice plank, and let's go. Tap, 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 tap. Looking good. Let's do 5 more on each side. You guys ready? 1 and 1. Hold it. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4, 4, 5, and last 1 and 5. And relax for 30. All right, now it's gonna be a slow isometric push-up. So we're gonna still staying on our knees. First set we're staying on our knees. Some of you are gonna stay on here the entire workout, not a problem. Anyway, isometric push-ups are gonna go down. Gonna keep your elbows tucked in. Gonna keep that chest a little bit above the ground. Do not let it touch the ground. And we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. We're going to do 3 or 4 of those, all right? All right, ready? Let's go. Keep those elbows tucked in, down, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. And let's just relax for a couple seconds. Catch our breath. You guys ready to go for one more? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. How about one more? We'll do 3. 3 sounds like a good round number. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. And let's relax. Give ourselves at least 30 seconds. We'll do 30 seconds. Now we're moving on to a little more advanced version. So we're gonna get off our knees if we can and do a regular plank. We're starting back to the top. We're not starting with the planks. Those will warm up. We're going straight to the Sphinx push-up. In 15 seconds, we're going to 6 to 8 Sphinx push-ups. Maybe 5. I don't know. We'll call it as we see it. We got 5 seconds left. Get in your position. 3, 2, 1. Push up and down. That's 1. Up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more. And 6. And we are done. We're taking 30 seconds. All right, moving on to the leg raise. On your elbows. Legs are gonna go up. Keep that balance. How you guys feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. All right, let's start in about 10 seconds. On your elbows, leg up. Nice hold a nice plank. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. Looking good. 1, 2. Keep it here. 1. Hold that plank. 2. 1. We're not going anywhere. 2. 1, 2. How you guys feeling? Let's do a couple more. 1, 2. Hold it. Longer hold. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 5 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Chill. 30 seconds or so. All right. Isometric push-up. It's gonna be tough. Let's do 3 to 4 repetitions. What do you guys think? 10-second holds at the bottom, right? 3 or 4 reps. All the way down. Remember, keep those elbows tucked in. It'll be easier to hold it than if you spread them out. And also protect your shoulders. We get going in a few seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, plank, and let's go. Down, hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Up. Hold it. 1, 2. Keep it here. 4, 5. Going down. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more. Ready? Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. All right. We'll take a little break. 30 seconds from now. One more time through, starting off with the Sphinx push-up. We'll try to push the limit a little bit more, so maybe still doing 6 repetitions, maybe we'll go for 8, maybe 10, depending how we feel. Whew. Last set, guys, we got this right now. If you're on your knees, you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, maybe do 3 off of your knees and then drop back down to your knees and do 3, 4, 5 more on your knees. All right, let's get going in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down in plank and ready, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Working the chest and those triceps. 6, 7, 8. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2 and down. And let's take 30 seconds. Whew. Now we're going with leg raises. Same thing. We'll do maybe a couple more reps. Push it a little bit more. A little bit more work. This is the last time through. Pretty good planking workout. About what, 15 minutes by the time we're done? Let's get going. All right, let's get 10 seconds, guys, and we get moving. You could be on your knees. You could be on your hands. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. You can stay right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're gonna hold it for 3. Ready? 1, 2,
3, down, 1, 2, 3, down, ready, 1, hold that plank, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, down, hold it for 5, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, one more set of 5s, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down, and relax. And I'm looking at my board that's actually right underneath this camera, and I'm realizing we did not do shoulder taps. Hey, one take, that's how these workouts are filmed. Even though it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in front of me, I went 1, 2, 3, 5. There we go. I'm not gonna skip them this time. Shoulder taps, full plank on my count. Let's take another, 10 seconds, and then we'll get going. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs about shoulder width apart, and let's go. 1, 2. Nice and slow. 1, 2. Don't fall on your face. 2. Hold it. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Keep going. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Looking good. Feeling good. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. And we're done shoulder tapping. Well, since we got this workout short, we only have one exercise left. Slow isometric hold push-up. Whew. Let's get going, 15 seconds, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Did we do 3 reps last time? I think we did 3. All right, let's shoot for 5. You guys ready to go? Push-up position, and down. For 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down for 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down for 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up for 5. 1, 2, 3. So one more. 4, 5. Down for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are done. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts have been coming out for more than 5 years now, every Monday and every Thursday. This has been a Thursday workout in 5 years. We have not missed an upload, so we're being consistent. I hope I'm being consistent. Hope you're being consistent. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.